If you want to add a widget to a page on GoDaddy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to embed your widget code into your GoDaddy website so it shows up on the page where you want it. This is a simple process, and by the end, you'll know how to copy your widget code, open your GoDaddy editor, add a custom HTML section, and publish your changes. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. First, go ahead and copy your widget's embed code. This is the script or HTML snippet provided by the widget service you're using. You'll usually find it in the widget dashboard or setup instructions. Make sure you copy the full code exactly as provided because even one missing character can stop the widget from loading correctly. Once you have the code copied, the next step is to open your GoDaddy site editor. Go to your GoDaddy product page and scroll down to the section labeled Websites plus Marketing. Next to your website, click Manage. Give it a few seconds to load because GoDaddy sometimes takes a moment to open your site tools. After that, click Edit Website to launch the Visual Builder. This will open the page editor where you can make changes to your website layout and the content. Now that you're inside the editor, navigate to the specific page where you want the widget to appear. Scroll through the page until you find the exact spot where the widget should go. When you're in the right location, hover your mouse over the area and click the Add Section button, which is usually the plus sign. This opens the section options for your page. In the right-hand panel, look for the Files and Web category. This is where GoDaddy keeps the tools for embedding outside content and custom code. Click on HTML from the available options, then choose Add. This creates a section that can hold your widget's embed code. Next, paste your copied widget script directly into the custom code field. Make sure you paste the code exactly as you copied it, without removing any brackets, quotation marks, or script tags. If the widget provider gave you any extra instructions, follow those too, since some widgets need a specific placement or additional settings. After pasting the code, take a moment to preview the page. This is important because previewing lets you confirm that the widget appears correctly before you publish anything live. Check the layout, spacing, and appearance to make sure everything looks right. If the widget doesn't display immediately, don't panic. Some widgets only load after the page is published, and others may need a refresh before they appear properly. If needed, go back and double check that the embed code was copied fully and pasted into the correct HTML field. Once everything looks good in preview, go ahead and publish your website. Publishing saves the changes and makes the widget visible to your visitors. After that, your widget should now be live on your GoDaddy page. And that's it. You've successfully added a widget to a page on GoDaddy. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more step-by-step website tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.